Namaskar Mahara. Good morning respected judges, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Mehar Arora. Today I am going to tell you about the state of India, which is called Paradise on Earth, Switzerland of Asia, Kashmir. It is one of the most beautiful states situated in north of India. Kashmir has everything, including mountains, dense forests, grasslands, and water streams that create wonderful scenery. It is one of the most magical places on earth. Their culture is highly influenced by Persian culture. Their dance, music, cuisine, carpet weaving, and kosher Sufiana forms a significant part of Kashmir identity. The valley is known for the fine arts, including traditional boats, houseboats, handicrafts, and poetry. Kashmir has mouth-watering cuisine in both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Some of the famous dishes are Dum Aloo, Rogan Josh, Vazwan Yakhni, Finni and Kashmiri Pulao. The costume of Kashmiri people is very colorful and attractive. The majority of people wear traditional costume and women attire themselves with gorgeous jewelry. The Kashmiri costume truly indicates their culture and lifestyle. The Pashmina shawl is famous worldwide for its quality and fabric. It also shows that India is still following their cultural values. A large number of festivals are celebrated by Kashmiri people with full joy. Some of the popular festivals are Eid, Hamis, Tulip, Shikara, Grace, Lori and Sindhu Darshan. Kashmir is one of the best places where you can see rich heritage and culture along with its beauty. Kashmir offers so many different experiences that attract tourists from all corners of the world. So, you must visit this amazing place at least once in your lifetime. It would be an incredible experience. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Allah Hafiz.